The Bionic Bunny Show by Marc Brown and Lorene Kransky-Brown. Good morning, said Wilbur.
You're late,
Grumbled the director. Wilbur had only 10 minutes to get made up, go to wardrobe, and finish learning his lines.
Hold still,
said Maxine, the makeup woman.
I have to make you look strong and smart. It isn't easy, you know,
she joked. With practiced skill, the wardrobe department transformed Wilbur into the Bionic Bunny. First, they snapped on his costume with the built-in muscles. They tied his bionic sneakers, which made him taller. They snapped on his bionic wristwatcher, which supposedly let him see anything anywhere. Finally, they pulled on his bionic ears, which supposedly let him hear everything.
everyone on the set.
Ordered the director. Speak up, mumbled Wilbur. I can't hear a thing with these darn ears on.
Move.
Growled the director. The crew switched on the lights and tested the microphones. They moved the last sets into place and quietly wheeled the cameras into position.
Tilt camera 1 up to make Wilbur look taller in the opening shot.
Ordered the director.
Camera 2, tilt down on the rats to make them look smaller. Wake up, Wilbur.
Called the director.
Let's make television.
And now, said the announcer, the one who makes the impossible possible, the Bionic Bunny! With a twitch of his nose and a wiggle of his ears, he summons his bionic strength!
This is a stick-up. Lock all the doors. No one's going nowhere. Put the money in the bags, Toots.
we've been robbed. Help! Help! Help!
So long, suckers.
Help! To the rescue! A brick wall never stops the Bionic Bunny. I'll just twitch my nose and wiggle my ears. Here I come!
Cut.
Shouted the director.
What's the matter, Wilbur?
I need a Band-Aid,
Said Wilbur.
If those bricks were real, not rubber, you'd need more than a Band-Aid.
Said the cameraman.
Now in this next scene, the robbers see you.
Reminded the director.
Speak loudly and look scary. Make them afraid of you. Places, everyone. Action.
Oh no! It's the Bionic Bunny! Quick, to the Ratmobile!
Drop those guns, you rubber ribbon ruts!
Oh, shucks.
Cut.
Called the director.
Wilbur, you should know your lines. Sometimes it amazes me that you can even remember your name.
The script man's voice came from the controller. Drop those guns, you rotten robber rats!
Could you move the teleprompter closer?
Asked Wilbur.
I can't read without my glasses.
So much for your bionic powers.
Groaned the director.
Ready? Action.
Step on it, Big Cheese! If we can beat the Bionic Bunny to the secret hideout, we'll get away!
I'll just use my bionic ears to tune into those rats. So they've got a secret hideout. Not so secret when I show up. Boy, that Ratmobile really travels. I'll have to make a bionic leap over that building to catch up, with a twitch of my nose and a wiggle of my ears.
Cut.
Called the director.
Set up the bionic leap. Wilbur, you pose for 3 shots. Remember, just look like it's easy. The editor will put these shots together so that it looks like you did it yourself.
Boy,
I'm really glad I don't have to hop up there. High places make me dizzy.
I can see everything up here, except those runners. I'll just tune them in on my bionic wristwatch. What's going on? No! My wristwatcher and my bionic ears aren't working. When I twitch my nose and wiggle my ears, nothing happens.
Heh heh heh. We fixed him and his fancy bionic equipment. Let's see. 100 for you, 200 for me. Hey, wait a minute.
Time for some serious research. I'll consult my Bionic Bunny handbook, just as I thought. What rats? I have a plan that will cook their goose. A quick call to the police, and I'll just borrow this boat for a little surprise party.
Look, he's following us. He doesn't stand a chance in this storm. Bye-bye, Bionic Bunny.
Give up, you rats! I've got you surrounded! The rat trap is set! The Bionic Bunny is unsinkable!
Cut!
Screamed the director.
Help! I'm drowning.
Cried Wilbur.
I can't swim.
This is supposed to be a storm, not a tornado.
Yelled the director.
Turn down the wind machine. Control room, less thunder and lightning. Prop department, bring out the giant cat balloons.
What's that? Sounds like a large pussycat. I hate pussycats. Me too. Run for your life. The Bionic Bunny always leaves before we get a chance to thank him. Just you wait, Bionic Bunny. Our paths will cross again.
Cut!
Announced the director.
Another show finish. Good work, cast. Wilbur, make sure you know your lines better tomorrow when the Bionic Bunny meets the giant green gerbils from Mars.
You're kidding, groaned Wilbur. Wilbur said a tired goodnight to the cast and went to his dressing room. Here he slipped off his bionic sneakers, pulled off his bionic ears and wristwatcher, carefully hung up his costume with the built-in muscles, and headed home. "Hello, dear," said his wife. "You're just in time to help with dinner. Can you open this jar?"
Just twitch your nose, Daddy.
Suggested the twins. "Unwriggle your ears," giggled the triplets. "Look," cried the triplets. "Baba opened the jar, and he didn't even twitch his nose or wiggle his ears." The end. Hey, that was Ricky.
And Squishy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. Whee!